Good evening, one and all present here, and my name is Palak. And today I am going to giving you a speech on value of education in our life. Okay, so we will start discussing about this now. Okay, so first of all, our behavior, our reputation is what we have learned, either by getting instructions or by observing things around us. Education acts as a ladder that carries us to the high limits. Without education and knowledge, we cannot contribute anything valuable to the world or earn money for leading our life. Knowledge is the ultimate power. Okay, so first of all, here our behavior, our reputation is we have learned. Neither we get some instructions by the observed things, like we observe some things, so by this we get our instructions around us. Okay, and education is a type of ladder, you can say, which goes to in a high limits. Means without education and knowledge we can earn money also, but not for we can't for leading our life. For just day to day life we can cover the things, but if we have the perfect knowledge and perfect education, then we can succeed in our life, and then we can choose a way we should want it to go. Okay, so I will, and also this is a ultimate power. Knowledge is an ultimate power which cannot be taken or courted by somebody. From if you have knowledge, and anybody cannot take that knowledge. Okay, the value of education help us to know about our capacity to do something, and that's why we can complete that extra miles. Education has a much higher value, but we can't express that high values in words. It helps to erase negativity from our mind, doubts and fears, what could lead us in a downfall. It helps us to be happy and proposal in our future, along with making better human beings. Education highlighted us and removed the darkness. That's why we suddenly find the world very beautiful. So, first of all, the education helps us to know about our capacity. What is our capacity? Education helps us about that, and that something is that we should complete the extra miles. Okay, and education is much higher value. Like education is much higher value that we could not express in the words. Okay. So, and it also helps to erase the negativities in our mind. There are many negativities in our mind, so it can remove it. And there are negativities, doubts and fears which can take us into downfall. Downfall means which we are succeeding, it's take us back and say that we should not do this. This is very risky. Okay. So one more thing is here, that education highlights us and remove the darkness in our life, and then suddenly we can see a beautiful world around us. Okay, now I will about more we will discuss, and one more thing is that we can split the education system into three types of educations are there. Okay, so there are three types of education. One is formal, informal and non-formal education. Okay, I will tell you about, we will discuss about these three. What are these? Okay, the learning we get from school, colleges or university is known as a formal education. We all go to schools, universities and colleges, so we just get some information, and which we get from schools, colleges and universities are known as formal education. Informal education is what we have earned throughout our life experience, various things. Doesn't allows any specific course or schedule. Okay, so here informal education is a kind of education which tells us about the life experience, and which we learn day by day, and everything we learn about that. And for this we don't know, we should not take any specific course or any schedule. We just learn every time something. Okay. So learning of informal education does not end and we keep learning in our lives. Go on. Means till that our life is there, we just learn something every day. So that's called informal education. Okay. And non-formal education is often used replacement with terms such as communicate education, adult education, and contributing education, and second chance education. And non-formal education is the education which used replacement and which comes to the communication education. Okay, adult education, contributing education, and second chance education. Okay, now reading, writing, and understanding things are the first value that we receive from education. Most of the information is read by writing. If you don't have writing skills, it will miss a lot of information. We will means reading, writing, and understanding things are the basic things that education gives us in our first step. And if we don't know about the writing, we don't have a writing skill, then we will miss a lots of information we get. Okay. Accordingly, education makes people more proper literally. Moreover, education is very crucial for employment in a country. Proper education gives us a great opportunity to lead our life in better way. Okay, so here proper education is there, which means it gives us more opportunity in our life to lead our life in a better way. I mean, if we are not educated, then we can also lead our life, but in not on our own way. Okay, and not in a better way. Okay, so it is important for proper education. When we get a proper education, then it is we can go to our opportunity. We get many opportunity to lead our life in a better way. Okay, now we understand the value of education when we see people with jobs of high salaries. Uneducated people suffer a lot when it comes to job due to the lack of education. Better communication is the other role performed by the education. It builds up and improves the speech of a person. Individually who are educated can express their views intelligently and it's clearly. Okay. Okay, so here which are the educated people, and we realize their education when they get high jobs and high salaries. And uneducated peoples which are there when they get a job, but they just suffer a lot, but they didn't get a job because of the lack of the education. Okay, so that's why the better communication is also one more role in our life of education. Education in second step, it gives us better communication. If we started doing communication in better way, then it's performed by education in the second step. It's also a good thing when we started communication in English, or we started communication and we just if wanted to talk and some explanation, it would be easy for us, and it is a second step of education to get. Okay, and it's also builds improvement of speech of a person. That it's build speech of person, people started speaking, and it's build a speech of person individually who are educated. They views by efficiently and it's clearly. Actually, right now I have said a wrong word. That time I said some other word, I don't remember, but the correct word was efficiently. Sorry. Okay, efficiently, the correct word was there. Okay, that can express, the educated can express the individually, and in clear way they can explain something, or they can communicate. Okay, the value of education lies in spreading knowledge within a people of our society. When one spread knowledge, that creates our environment, and this is one of the most remarked aspects of education. Education brings in the relapse and in different fields like technologies, medical, lifestyles, and etc. So here one thing you know that uh, people, if one has a greater knowledge, if they spread that knowledge, so it makes a kind of environment of knowledge. People started learning about it. Okay, so this is called the remarks expects. Okay, and it can be of many fields like technologies, medical, lifestyles, and etc. Okay, the more proper education we get, the more technologies and knowledgeable will be spread. Moreover, the value of education plays a scientific role in the security country economy and social progress in improving people's salary distribution. So here the most proper education we will get, and then we will get about more technologies and knowledge. Okay, then we should spread that. Okay, so this is a kind of thing which we get by spreading the knowledge. Okay, then value of education is an essential ingredient for chancing in the world. It helps us to gather knowledge that can be used to make a better living. Most importantly, the value of education can never be harmed by any nature or human-made disasters. Education is only a way for the development of a social and the overall development of nation also. So here education is a essential ingredient in the chances of world, that it's a ingredient, type of ingredient that can be used. Okay, this ingredient is used for gathering knowledge for our better life. Okay, most importantly, the value of education can be never harmed by any nature or human made disasters. It's like people can take everything of you, but they can not take your education or knowledge from you. Okay, education is good for our society, it develops our society and overall development of nation also. So okay, so thank you. So at the last I will give you a short thing. Okay, that reading short information, again the thing which I just reminder, I will give you a short information. Okay, reading, writing and understanding things are the first value that we receive from education. The more proper education we get, the more technologies and knowledge will be spread. Third thing is that if education is centered on the value and ingredients, centered by moral principles, that then our generation will gradually grow up as righteous bigness. Means here is just a small thing I want to explain you, that if we will educate ourselves, then our coming generation would be also started educating. Okay, and another thing which is there, any natural or human made disaster can never harm the value of education. Okay, so this was my speech. Okay, so I explained you in short lines also. I have written some short lines also about that also. So thank you, and please subscribe my channel also. Thank you.